Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Are you a Bubble user who has ever faced challenges with sending emails seamlessly with the platform? Whether it's OTP verification, sending welcoming emails or running campaigns. Bubble.io's built-in email functionalities often fall short of meeting your specific needs. Recently, a client reached out to us and he was facing this issue as well. To resolve this issue, we introduced Sendinblue, that is also known as Bevo. It is a powerful email marketing tool, and by integrating this tool with Bubble.io, a person can send attractive emails. Take a look at its demonstration. Imagine a person is signing in the app that is developed using Bubble.io, and he is just filling in the details that are required to sign in. Now, this app requires to verify the email that the person has written, and OTP message will be sent to the Gmail of the user. Here, that OTP is sent to the Gmail, and after the verification is completed and the person has signed in the app, he will be receiving a welcoming email as well. And the domain through which the email is sent is the customized domain, not that default bubble.io domain. Not just OTP verification and welcoming emails can be sent through this integration, but this integration can also help you manage campaigns through your Bubble app. And in an app where time to time updates are necessary, this integration is a must, so that you can easily notify the end user about the updates. And the best part is that you don't need to purchase expensive subscriptions plans to make this work. It's flexible, affordable, and tailored to your needs. So if you are also facing this issue in your Bubble app, or you want some new features in your Bubble app, reach out to us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with your app. Thank you for watching.